Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and look at the huge haul of picture frames that I am sharing with you. Not only that, look at the price. Table frames box $3. I paid $3 for 30 picture frames. 30 picture frames at my favorite thrift store. Amazing. I don't think I had ever paid $3 for this amount of items. Isn't this beautiful? These were used for some type of wedding, and I can tell because it says Miss Nicole Moffatone. This one says Mr. John McCord, table 3. And then there's the one right there, table 15, table 5, table 6, table 8. So these were used on the tables to show you where your table would be. So if you found your name, that would be your table. And that's very common in weddings. But this must have been some wedding, because these are very nice ideas using frames for these. Usually they just have a little cardboard piece with your table number, but these are actually frames. Aren't they beautiful? I am going to repurpose these, of course. I mean, I'll use some of them, but I'll repurpose the other ones. Like, for example, this one happened to be missing the little stand. You see how they come with this stand here? This one is missing it. But when I look at this, I say to myself, wow, I can use this as some type of table. It can be a table, it can be a pool table. It's black and silver, so it has a pool type of table look. Look at this. There are many other things that you can reuse these for. So you will see these again in future settings. But I'm just amazed at how much I paid for so many of these. And they have different designs. This one has the polka dots, the floral ones, and then these are plain. Hello, beautiful. And this is a different pattern. I even have decorative paper that is that same pattern. Now that's an idea. I can use that with the decorative paper and create something. And they came in this box. This is a fabric box. They come in all sizes. I've seen them at the Dollar Tree. But they came all in here, just like you would stack CDs and just line them up like that. So $3 for all of this. So stay tuned, because you will see these again. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.